In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transfer your slides from Google Slides into Canva for editing and sharing. First, leave Canva's dashboard and go back to the Google Slides homepage to start a new presentation using the blank template. Next, insert a template by choosing Insert All Slides so your presentation has content. Then, open the File menu to access export options. Now, open the Download submenu and select a format. Then confirm the download in your browser's extensions area. Check your download and switch to Google Drive to upload your PDF using the New button, so it's stored online. Once the upload is complete, dismiss the notification. Then, in Canva, select Google Drive as your import source to add your file. Confirm the upload and download the imported PDF from Canva if the preview isn't available in your browser. Open the downloaded PDF, and finally, access more options for additional actions in Canva. That's how you import Google Slides into Canva. You're now ready to start editing your slides.